American Express membership rewards points can be transferred to American Airlines Advantage Miles, but the process may vary slightly depending on the specific Amex card you have and the country you're in. Here's a general guide on how to transfer Amex points to American Airlines. Log into your Amex account. Go to the American Express website and log into your account using your username and password. Navigate to the Rewards section. Once logged in, find the Rewards or Membership Rewards section. This is where you'll manage your points. Select Transfer Points. Look for the option to transfer points to travel partners. This might be labeled as Transfer Points or Use Points. Choose American Airlines as the transfer partner. Scroll through the list of available transfer partners until you find American Airlines A-Advantage. Click on it to proceed. Enter your American Airlines account information. You'll need to provide your American Airlines A-Advantage account number and other required details. If you don't have an Advantage account, you'll need to sign up for one first. Enter the number of points to transfer. Specify the number of Amex points you want to transfer to your American Airlines account. Be aware of any transfer minimums or multiples required by Amex. Confirm the transfer. Review the transfer details to ensure everything is correct, including the number of points and the recipient account information. Confirm the transfer to complete the process. Wait for the transfer to complete. Transfers from Amex membership rewards to American Airlines A-Advantage typically occur almost instantly, but may take up to a few days to reflect in your A-Advantage account. Remember, the steps may vary slightly depending on updates to Amex's website or your specific card's features. Always double-check the details and terms associated with transferring points.